Everybody, hope you guys are doing well. In this video I am going to show you that how hr or horizontal line works in the html. So first of all, I will create a boilerplate by shifting shift by pressing shift and exclamation mark and hitting tab. This is creating me the boilerplate, and I would write the title, which is like horizontal lines actually. Okay, and this is our title. For example, in the html I want some horizontal lines. For example, I have some heading which is like heading 1, and after that heading we have some paragraphs, and in the paragraphs I have some random text. And for example, we have multiple kinds of these paragraphs, etc. Okay, so I would make it copy and paste. Okay, so for example, we have like this type of three headings. I would open it with the live server so guys you can see the visuals. For example, we have this kind of three headings in our html actually. So it's not looking that much attractive. For example, if I make some horizontal lines after paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, so that's how it's like differentiating between these two sections, and that's how the h or tag or horizontal line works in the html. So guys, it's for the beautification and for the like clearing how the heading 1 and heading 2 and heading 3 are differentiating from one another. Okay, so hope so guys you understood this, how the hr attribute in html works, and it is like 100% width. If your website is on the leds and lcds, you guys would see it from the 100% width. Okay, so make sure you capture your screenshot from here so guys you guys can understand it and revise your concepts later on. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe to my channel.